What happens when animals get addicted to opium? In central India, some farmers have special licenses to grow opium poppies, the plants used to make medicine. Everything was fine until they noticed a serious problem. When parrots first saw the poppy pods, they got curious. Maybe it was a new kind of fruit. But once they took a bite, that's when the trouble really began. Day after day, the birds kept coming back, landing in the fields and pecking at the poppy pods to drink the opium sap. Not once or twice, but dozens of times a day. Farmers tried everything to stop them. Scarecrows, gunshots, even small explosives, but nothing worked. The parrots were hooked. Some even started stealing whole poppy pods and flying off with them to their nests. And when the harvest season ended, their supply ran out. The addicted parrots began trembling, losing control, unable to fly. Some fell from trees or died tangled in power lines. But the worst part, when the next season began, the surviving parrots came back, and the deadly cycle started all over again.